look at that. The Magnum Spear has more length. With sheath from United Cutlery. Okay, let's see here. Oh, wow. Here we go. Take another look here in the plastic. So, United Cutlery, knife center, packaged up pretty good. Is it damaged? Don't know. Wow, this thing's got some heft to it. Good weight. Okay. And okay, here we go. I guess this is some kind of, I don't know, seal of approval or something like that. Okay. Here we go. Let's take a look at the blade here. Oh, look at that. It's fairly sharp. I don't think it's too sharp because it is a spear, but let's see. Can we do a little paper test right out the box? Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, this is not very sharp out the box, but it's not for cutting, it's for sticking, for killing, for protection. So I have to say, right out of the box, not very sharp. I'm going back and forth on my hand, and wow, wow, I don't even think I can cut myself on this thing. But the tip is very sharp. And there we go. There's the one piece. It is heavy. It feels great. There we go. Inside. We got it there. So next video I make, maybe I'll do some tests on it, give it a sharpening, see how it is then. As always, don't subscribe, give me a thumbs down, and have a shitty day.